everyone, welcome back to Allie Can Cook featuring Mama McManus.
Hi, I'm Mama McManus.
And I'm Allie, and on today's episode of Allie Can Cook, we are showing you guys how we make vegan cinnamon pancakes.
I know.
Yes. This recipe actually isn't ours. One of my friends recommended that we tried it out because she did the paleo version of it, but there's also a vegan version on this person's website. So I will link the recipe down below that we're following, but pretty much we're just trying it out to see if it's good vegan, because she said it was really good paleo, so we're going to test it out. But we're also going to put a little bit of an Easter spin on it because Easter is coming up next week, or this week, right?
Yeah. This week. And we're going to do little bunny ears and show you how to decorate it up, so it's a lot of fun and actually a nice way to get kids to eat their fruit.
Yeah, so they're healthier cinnamon pancakes that we're going to shape into little bunnies to make them Easter themed so you guys can enjoy them on Easter morning with your family. If they're good, we'll let you know if they're not good.
Yeah.
This is just a test kitchen. It's a trial run of these pancakes. So if you guys want to see what we think of these vegan cinnamon pancakes, keep watching.
The recipe doesn't call for raspberries, but we're going to add 4 or 5 raspberries to the batter to make the batter pale pink. And that way we'll be keeping with our Easter theme with the pink bunnies.
Okay, so you just want to let the batter sit for about 5 to 10 minutes after you've blended it thoroughly. They say that the batter is actually going to rise a bit, which I'm hoping it does because it doesn't look like there's a lot in here.
Well, we did put the baking powder in, so that will help it rise.
Yeah, so we're just going to set that to the side for now, let it rise a bit, and while that is rising, we are going to prep our fruit that we're going to use to make it look like a bunny.
Right.
So we're going to be using a dark red pear for the ears of the bunny.
You're going to cut them down the center, and then cut them down the center again, and then cut them to shape them into little ears.
Then we're going to use strawberries for the feet of the bunny. So you just want to cut these down the center and save the little green stems.
Because we're going to use those for whiskers.
Yes. And then lastly, you're just going to want to slice your bananas normally, and we're going to use bananas and raspberries for the nose and eyes.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, so that is how you make these little Easter themed pancakes.
I think they're, whoops, I lost my eye. They're very cute.
They are very cute.
Yeah.
One thing to note is that the recipe only made 3 pancakes and they're pretty small, so definitely double up for Easter. But we're gonna dig in now and try them.
Okay. Let's see. It's almost like an oatmeal. What is it? Oatmeal. We made it with oatmeal.
Yeah, it's like an oatmeal pancake. I definitely like them better with the fruit on it. It's good, it's a healthy pancake.
Yeah. It doesn't have the texture of a pancake, really.
No, it feels more, it's denser, that, if I could describe it.
Yeah.
I still like it though.
And I think it was really pretty how we decorated them up and made them look like little bunnies.
I give it like a 7 out of 10. I feel like they're really dense, but they're definitely like an oatmeal-y pancake, and with the fruit and maple syrup on them, it adds a bit more flavor, which is nice.
Yeah,
something
different.
I might actually add a little bit more cinnamon, just because we didn't do the cinnamon glaze on top.
Oh, that's right. You could sprinkle cinnamon on top.
Oh yeah, that'd be good.
Okay.
Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you have a wonderful Easter with your family. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe. We make videos every single Thursday, and we will see you guys next week. Bye guys.
Bye guys.